Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show how to see Wi-Fi password on Android phone 2026. Open the Settings app on your phone. Tap on Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi network you are currently connected to. Tap the Share button. Enter your phone password, fingerprint, or pattern lock if asked. A QR code will appear on the screen. The Wi-Fi password should be shown below the QR code. If the password is not visible and only the QR code appears, take a screenshot of the QR code by pressing the power button and volume down button together. Open your browser and go to qrcodegadget.com. Tap on QR code decoder. Upload the screenshot of the QR code. Once the QR code is decoded, the Wi-Fi password will appear next to P. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.